Pool Construction Part 3. The snow is gone and we're getting started. First, I began building a frame for the planters to hide the pipes. However, it was important to ensure they would still be accessible later in case of any defect. At the same time, I started laying the first rows of stones on the lean concrete around the pool. After digging a few holes for the foundations, I was able to paint everything with wood preservative and fix it in its final position. Lawn edging stones were installed and the wall around the pool slowly began to take shape. For the top row of the wall, I used the same paving stones as for the lawn edging. This creates a harmonious overall appearance. To compensate for the height difference, I built a small staircase at the back of the pool. The end of the stone hauling is finally in sight. I just need to set the last lawn edging stones and place the top row in mortar, then grout it. I am very satisfied with the result. Since summer is approaching, the pool is already being cleaned and filled. And now comes the part that every pool builder probably looks forward to the most. It's time to finish the pool deck and complete the project. Quickly took a few more photos. Got the wood, decided on a laying pattern, and the fun began. You can slowly start to imagine what it will look like once it's finished. A little bit more to go, but first, a short break. Yes, exactly how I imagined it. Next, I'll finish cutting and painting the edging for the planters and complete the rest of the cladding. Time for some paint. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate your support.